मुझसे शादी करोगी?
मैं शादी के बाद अपना सरनेम नहीं चेंज करूंगा. I don't like Angro.
I'm sure a lot of you ladies go through this when it comes to changing your surname after marriage, whether you should or whether you shouldn't, whether you want to retain your own identity or you want to take on the identity of the family that you get married to. Just remember that there is no law in the country which requires you to change your surname. It's only a cultural practice which has come down generations which asked us to change our surname. So it's your choice. If you want to change your surname, go ahead. And if you don't want to, there's nothing requiring you to do so. Just in case a marriage has been called off just before the wedding by the bride or the groom, then the other party can actually go to the civil court and claim compensation for the expenses that has already been made for the marriage.
It's light. It rattles.
You know, the best part about getting married are all those fancy gifts that you get. And the even better news is that all those gifts that you get during your wedding are tax-free. Yes, you're exempt from tax, no matter the cost and no matter the kind of gift.
इसी घर में आएगी आपकी डोली.
You know, interreligious marriages are absolutely legal in the country, but it's important for you to get married the right way for your marriage to be legal and valid as per the law. Now in India, all marriages are governed by religious personal laws. So two Hindus can get married under the Hindu laws, two Muslims under the Muslim personal laws, and two Christians under the Christian laws. So in case you belong to two different religions, you need to get registered and get married under the Special Marriage Act for your marriage to be legal and valid as per the law.
इस आदमी ने धोखे से मुझसे शादी की.
If you ladies find yourself in some kind of trouble and you need an advocate to represent you for that, but you're hesitant to go to one because you think their fees is way too much and you won't be able to afford it, remember that women and children have right to free legal aid in this country. So if you want a lawyer for free, the government will provide you one. All you need to do is approach the Legal Services Authority in the court complex in your city, or you can also go online and make an application on nalsa.gov.in. And you get a pro bono lawyer to fight your case.
Just a slap, पर नहीं मार सकता.
Did you know that the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act not only protects women from abuse from their husband or in-laws, but also domestic violence by their parents, brothers, sisters, or anyone or any relative that they live in a shared household with. And domestic violence doesn't only mean physical violence. The act covers all kinds of abuse such as sexual, verbal, emotional, financial, and economic abuse.
ये तेरा घर, ये मेरा घर.
Did you know that women have absolutely no ownership rights over the house of her husband or her in-laws or the matrimonial home she stays in? She only has a right to stay in that matrimonial house and not be thrown out at any point of time.
लड़कियों को हमेशा पराया धन कहा गया है.
But hey, here is some good news. Hindu women have a right to share in the property of their parents even after marriage. Yes, as for the Hindu Succession Act, both the son and the daughter have equal share to parents' property.